pushing lovely now. There we go, boom.
Order filled.
All the accounts passed in one trade. Have about 15-20 accounts trading all at the same time. Make sure and ensure that I take a $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 in payouts this fucking month. I literally passed 50k accounts in one fucking trade in a matter of minutes of market open. I mean, Lucid's fucking 50% off as well at the minute, so Lucid Flex accounts, use the code LOCKIN. Right, yo boys, episode 5 of Road to a 10k payout. In this video, I am going to talk about how I'm about to take another payout on Top Step. This will be the fifth payout from Top Step in the past month. We've been doing it every week, so let's try and get another one this week. In fact, no, I missed last week, I'm not gonna lie. This week we'll get it again. I'm gonna set up a trade sync on how I copy trade to multiple prop firms all at the same time. I'm gonna show you the prop firm that I use. And obviously last time and last video, I passed 5 accounts in one trade. If you haven't already seen that, that is here. It's literally my last video before this one.
Order filled.
Now in the shorts. It's on the reversal. Oh, there it is, pushing lovely now. There we are, boys. Simply just like that. All the accounts passed in one trade. It's still going now as well. Crazy work. Again, there's going to be a Google Doc in the description of exactly what I'm talking about in this video. But as well, let's quickly talk about and run over today's Let's talk about today's trade. So, coming to market open, for those that don't know, I trade breakouts. As you can see, there's no indicators. I'm not looking at the higher time frame. Like, bruh. 2 lines, maybe a trend line here and there. And whichever level it breaks out of with volume, I take the trade. And I trade with the same stop loss every single day. And I trail from the same take profit every day. It's so robotic, it's fucked. But yeah, as you can see here, US 30 absolutely fucking ripped. I wanted to get into these buys. I didn't have time. Like, if we go down to the 1 minute today, like, bruh, look at that 1 minute candle. This is like fucking Donald Trump's tweeting, bro, but 196 points in the fucking first 1 minute candle today, which is absurd. You don't see that shit every day. But nevertheless, missed that, so I was looking for NASDAQ shorts. So I got in here, boom, template, 25-point stop loss on NASDAQ. Unfortunately, came down to a 1-to-1, as you can see on this candle. I went to break even. It then came back up, and then it dumped, and then it reversed. So I broke even on the first trade. Now the second trade that I got into was this reversal. When we see a fucking 40-point pip, 40-point wick from the bottom side, right? Plus pressure to the upside, I'm getting in on the reversal. Now initially, if I was taking buys before a break at the market open, I would have taken buys based off of this level up here, right? Because this was our first support. But what happens is, if there's manipulation, as you can see here, a lot of sellers got trapped. Boom. I'm then taking advantage of that, getting in on the buys and getting in on the reversal. So, got in on the reversal, 1 to 2, trailed it up to basically the next support level. Whatever happens beyond here, I don't care. I walk away with a W. And that was today's trade. So, as you can see, that made us 1.2k today on the Express account, which is good. I ended up going in on all of my combines, and I ended up making 1,500 across all of them. Obviously, I have a lockout rule to get them locked out, so that's 1,500 up on every single one of them accounts. Now, on this account on the XFA, we're about to take the 4th or 5th payout literally in the past month. We took a payout every single week last week. Now, like, except from last week, it was close and I fucked up. Now, I'm going to try and go for a $2,000 payout on this account. At the same time, the other 5 Top Step accounts will be passed. And then we should be fully max allocated on Top Step and also max allocated on Redline, which we already have because we passed it in one fucking trade. It's super simple. So now I want to show you how I'm going to make $10,000 at least this month and trade on multiple prop firms at the same time. So as you can see, I've got TradeSync here. Now, TradeSync, they do offer a free trial. I'll put all the links in the description. I get probably like fucking 10% of whatever it is. So I get $4 every time you purchase if you do. Just to let you know, if you don't want to use the link in the description, go type it in and just fucking anyway, I'll fuck all that gay shit. Add your first connection. So what you're going to do, when you first come to it, you're going to see all this shit, right? Boom. Now, what you want to do is you want to add, so after you've paid and signed up for your free trial, whatever the fuck it may be, you're going to come to connections, you're going to add connection, and what I like to do is the first account I'll add is a Top Step. Top Step is always going to be my leader account, and I'll show you why in just a second. So as you can see, add connection, connection name, select top step, which is project X. As you can see, top step X here, boom. Then what we're going to do is that you're going to put in username that you used to log into TopStep and then an API key. Now you're going to be like, API key, what the fuck is that? Now let me show you how you do this. So settings, right at the right, API key. So what you want to do is show, I'm not going to show and leak my API key on this fucking video, but show it, copy and paste it, and then go back to TradeSync and then paste it into API key, right? So this is what I'm going to do right now. There we go, right, I've pasted my API key in, connect. Boom. And then gonna go to details. Now as you can see, all of my accounts are here. Boom. So what I'm gonna do is, for the time being, I'm gonna just add my main XFA. Now I'm not gonna add the combine accounts because there is already a copy trader within TopStep. So there's no need for me to do that, and it's a really good fucking copy trader inside TopStep. So that's step one, right? Now, obviously I've got all these redline accounts, right? As you can see, funded, bro, I got hella accounts. Now, the reason why I get these accounts is because they are the cheapest and the easiest accounts to pass on the market right now, at the moment, as we speak. Now, for Redline, you want to use DexaFeed. Now, TradeCopia, which is another TradeSyncer that people use, doesn't have DexaFeed. So you have to have TradeSyncer for this to work. So, Redline, connection name, Redline. Then, put in my email. Now you want to go to email, get your DexaFeed credentials, connect. Now as you can see, connecting. Boom. No thanks. Then same thing. All I'm going to do is add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should have done this yesterday because yesterday I made $520 and I wasn't copy trading. Hence why I'm doing this video walking you through how to do it and show y'all. So, boom. Now, important bit, set leader. Now, what we want to do is go to the leader account. I'm going to make my TopStep account the leader account. So now, what this is like, and the reason why this works so fucking good, right, is, so boom, look, as you can see today, I made $1,200, got all the Redline accounts underneath. Now, why do these work so well together? Now, listen to me. The reason why TopStep and Redline combine perfectly is because both in the funded stage have no consistency rule. Meaning, if I go for a $2,000 or $3,000 day on a TopStep account, or I have another prop firm with a consistency rule of 30, 40, 50%, that's going to fuck up when it comes for me taking a payout because of the consistency rule. Now, the reason why I use TopStep and Redline combined is because neither of them have a consistency rule. Meaning, if I hit a 3K a day on my TopStep account, Redline isn't going to flag me up or do me dirty because I made 3K in a day. You know what I'm saying? So I like to have these two specifically right now as of this moment. But the thing is as well, because they have the same kind of rules and I'm only trading on Project X anyway, right? I mean, you could just trade all your accounts on, you know, deep web charts or DexaFeed, right? But me personally, I'm going to be honest, as much as I do like Redline, I just love TopStep's interface, Project X. I just love it. So, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, right? Because if I'm going to use TopStep X as the leader account for whatever prop firm I've got underneath it, it's like the equivalent of having multiple TopStep accounts underneath me. Do you get me? So when I see this, I see TopStep as my leader account, Project X, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other accounts underneath, plus the other 4 with TopStep. This is essentially like me having 10 Project X accounts. It's like me having 10 TopStep accounts because none of them have a consistency rule, and it's super fucking simple when it comes to payouts. Do you get what I'm saying? So whether these guys bring out TradeC or they use TradeAvate or they use DexaFeed or they use whatever the fuck you want to use or whatever prop firm wants to use any other platform, it don't really matter because I'm always using, personally, TopStep as the leader anyway. But I'm taking advantage of the rules that are way better and the payouts that are way better on other prop firms. Now, if you want to get funded really quick and make this a quick process, I've literally got a Google Doc in the description of exactly how much dollar amount, how many minis, how many micros, the stop loss size, the amount of RR you need to go for, what pair to trade to pass this shit in one trade. Go watch last video. I literally passed 5 50K accounts in one fucking trade in the matter of minutes of market open. So personally for me, I'm going with the 50K standard accounts. Use the code LOCKIN. This gets you 30% off. You're literally going to be paying $60 all in, bro. 1 day pass, 0 activation fee, 0 consistency fee in the funded stage. Just like TopStep, that's the important bit. It's fucking fire, bro. So go watch that shit. Another thing with Redline as well, boys, instead of having to buy one account, then go buy another and buy another, bro, these guys, you can just put 5, buy all 5 in literally one fucking trade. So these accounts are not only the easiest to pass because all you have to do is make 2.7 instead of 3,000, but you can also just buy 5 in one without fucking having to go buy one, buy another, then buy another. That some gay shit. Also, Apex is also something else I'm about to pay attention to. Now, I don't currently have any accounts with these guys now. Now, look, yo, boys, when I do take a payout from Top Step as well this week, I'm going to take some of the profits because I'm already going to be max allocated on Top Step, already going to be max allocated on Redline. Apex is probably going to be my next one. The reason for it is because, wow. And the reason for it is I'm going to go and get the 50k intraday trailing accounts. Now, boys, you're going to be like, intraday trailing, what about the end of day? Personally, I've taken payouts on intraday trailing. I don't really care too much about intraday trailing because I don't lose that often for it to really even matter. People just get scared because they can't trade. But if you use the code lock in, I can literally go and risk $100 a day, full part and pass in one trade, pay $95 a day. I could pay $5 to take thousands of dollars in payouts. It's that fucking simple. Because right now, instead of it being $120 or $155 fucking dollars for an activation fee, it's literally $69 all in. So if I pass all these accounts, I just pay 50 times 5 after that. Like, bro, it's not that fucking deep to make thousands of dollars. Now, I'm not saying, boys, go do this shit. But, for example, in the past, I've taken about $3,000 just from Apex, right? And I paid, $20 for an account, $100 activation fee. You do the maths in it, you know what I'm saying? So these are just some things I'm thinking about. And then as well, what I'll do is I will add this to the trade syncer. So I should have about 15, 20 accounts trading all at the same time. Make sure and ensure that I take a $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 in payouts this fucking month. Whew. You know what I'm saying? So that's the plan, boys. That is the plan. But besides that, I'll be back again with another video tomorrow. And yeah, boys, let's get fucking going. Use the code LOCKIN on any prop firm, all prop firms. Again, I mean, Lucid's fucking 50% off as well at the minute. So Lucid Flex accounts, use the code LOCKIN. Besides that, boys, I'll see you again for another video. And peace.